Hi Skin Games, my name is Kisha Hamilton. I'm a licensed esthetician and this is week 5 of our holistic category with Erythema. This week I want to talk about something that doesn't come in a bottle, and that is stress. Chronic stress keeps the body locked in a constant state of inflammation. When stress hormones like cortisol stay elevated, the skin barrier weakens, oil production becomes dysregulated, and healing slows down. This is when we start to see acne flare-ups, dermatitis, increased erythema, and skin that just doesn't seem to respond the way we want it to, no matter how good the products are. And this is something I've seen consistently in my treatment room. You can have the best skincare routine in the world, but if the nervous system is overwhelmed, the skin will reflect that imbalance. What we're doing in this case study is teaching the body how to rest again. Through intentional facial massage, lymphatic work, breathwork, prayer, and aromatherapy, we're signaling to the nervous system that it's safe to slow down. When the body shifts out of fight or flight and into a parasympathetic state, blood flow improves, inflammation decreases, and the skin can finally begin to repair itself. This approach is especially important for Erythema. Her skin conditions have been closely tied to periods of high stress, and we've already seen how lifestyle and emotional load directly influence her flare-ups. Her progress this week is proof that when the nervous system calms down, the skin follows. The reduction in redness, improved hydration, and overall balance we're seeing isn't just from what I'm applying topically, it's from creating an environment where healing is allowed to happen. This is why holistic care isn't optional, it's essential, because real skin transformation happens when we treat the whole person and not just the surface. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Toodaloo.